Stop guessing how much your competitors are making and see the real data with this tool. And of course, it is JungleScout. There's a link right in the description. They're one of the top and best tools. You can get a free demo, right? And when you log in, you're going to click on extension, and they have an awesome Chrome extension, one of the best in my opinion, that tells you the sales data. Now, if you're looking up an item, what you can do is click on this, and then you can click scan search results, and it's going to show you all of the data on how much money Hanes is making, the price, monthly units sold, daily units sold, monthly revenue, which is $1 million a month they're making, right? And potential net revenue, star rating, Amazon fees, right? You can download all this data, put it in a spreadsheet, look at different columns you can add, right? Or take away if you don't want to see that data, different types of filters, right? Maybe you can just filter through the star ratings. Pretty decent data right here, but where it really shines is if you're doing quick research. So you find something at a store. Oh my gosh, I just found a gag gift, which are hilarious. Type in gag gifts and see how much money they're making per month. It's showing you the monthly revenue right here. This pickle is making $2,000 a month right now. This funny birthday thing that has the middle finger, right, is making $31,000 a month. Who would have guessed a little gag gift like that could make so much money, right? So we've got all these different gag gifts items right here, which are just completely hilarious, right? Answer desk rates. This one's sponsored. Answer $1. Answer which require thought, $2. Correct answer is $4. Dumb looks free. Making $24,000 a month. So this is the easiest way to see how much people are making per month on Amazon. 13 grand. This one doesn't have the data. 11,000, 35,000. You can also click on a listing and it automatically populates with the extension to tell you how much money it's making a month. This one's making $91,000 a month. And it is another gag gift of jelly beans. It says old bitumens. And to combat severe cases of old bagitis. That's hilarious. And they're just making bank selling jelly beans. Who the heck would have guessed? But here it is. This is how you can figure out how to make a lot of money on Amazon. Now, let's say we're looking at anime piggy banks, seeing how much money they're making, $2,000, $6,000, only $500 a month. Able to see the monthly revenue is very nice. Maybe Nike. How much does Nike make a month on Amazon? And we can see the Air Force Ones is making almost $1 million a month, around $600,000 a month, right? The Nike socks are doing even better. Everyone loves the Nike socks, are making $1 million a month on Amazon. And of course, we're going to look at Stanley's too to see the data here. And the Stanley's are making $3 million practically altogether, they're probably making like $10 million a month on Amazon. That's where Stanley's making all their money. If you're like, where are they making all this money? It is Amazon, right? And their website, most likely. So huge opportunities here. And it's one of the easiest and best tools to see how much your competitors are making instantly, right? All the other tools, sometimes you have to click extra buttons or the data is completely inaccurate. This one's pretty decent, and JungleScout does have great pricing. Again, link in the description if you want to check it out and get a discount, or just feel free to go to junglescout.com. That's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you want to help increasing sales, launching your own product on Amazon, or just need help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us. Well, we'll manage your account, help you launch on Amazon, do your designs, your SEO, and of course, generate you sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.
Mm.